These are called emergency brownies.
Well, you know how it is.
What qualifies it as an emergency?
So there are those times when you just think, I actually urgently need a brownie, but I can't really justify making a whole batch. So this is like my, my miniature version. It's not that miniature, but anyway. So when you just need a brownie yourself or for a couple of you.
This is the way to portion control if you can't stop eating the entire sack of pepper chocolates.
So I've got some butter, a bit of brown sugar and a bit of maple syrup, or you can use corn syrup. And now, it doesn't need, you see, you're not using many ingredients. That's 3 tablespoons of flour and the same of cocoa. So that's easy enough. I like quite a bit of salt. I like salt in with sweet.
I like a little bit of salt in just about everything, but especially sweet things.
So this goes into this little pan. And I have to say, so these brownies are wonderful just as they are.
So a little vanilla, a little egg, 3 tablespoons each of the cocoa powder and the flour.
And there we are. Don't need to do that much. In we go. In the same time, walnuts.
What's left of them?
Chips.
I ate quite a few of those when we were waiting to start. Oh, I've got one.
So that's it. And I use one of those, like, takeout foil containers. Like, you see, it looks a bit sad in the bottom there, but once you take it out and you just cut it in half...
You pop this one out?
You have a brownie each, yeah.
Oh, my God. Look at that.
I know.
Oh, my God.